Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back. This is Darnell Nathaniel, and what I'm going to show you real quick is how to use the internet browser. All right. No matter where you want to go online, you have to be comfortable with using a browser. I mean, that's just the nuts and bolts of it. And what you'll notice is as you become more comfortable, you'll explore more, you'll start to use different browsers, and you'll just become kind of like a star. So let me go ahead and I'm going to minimize the screen because this is the first screen. This is my desktop, and as you can see, it's pretty busy. But one of the first things you want to do is, let me see if I can slide this down a little bit. All right. So there's different browsers. Okay. So that's one of the first things. I'm going to slide down a little bit, and there's different browsers. The one you use is really your preference. A lot of people like to use Google Chrome. That's this one here that I'm highlighting here, Google Chrome. Some people use Microsoft Edge that comes standard on a Windows computer. And then there's other ones that people like to use, like what's the other one called? DuckDuckGo, right? Is another one that people use, and it doesn't track your data and information. So you can download and use whichever ones you prefer. For our tutorial, I'm going to use Google Chrome. All right, so I already have. I'm just going to go ahead and click on Google Chrome here. It's going to open up. This was a little delay, so it opened up multiple screens. All right, I'm going to actually move my screen back up as well so you can see what I'm doing. So this is the home screen. It's Google Chrome, and I can literally do anything I want. If I don't know the web address where I want to go to, and I just have a general idea of a website that I want to use, I can type in the name here. So let's say I wanted to, I don't know BBC's website, but I know it's called the BBC. I just go there and type enter, and that's going to do a Google search for the BBC. Once I click it here, then it opens up, and I can see up here that it's bbc.com. That's the web address, right? So you can do that. If you're not sure of the name or the location of a website, you can always go to google.com, which is what I just did. I typed in google.com, go back to the search menu here. I can type in anything I want. Like if, like for example, I like Panda Express. My daughter and I, we eat Panda Express. So I may not know the exact address, but I might want the menu. I can go there, and then Google is going to find Panda Express for me. I can click on it, and then it opens up the page and so on. And I can look through their menu, so on. And I also can see up at the top here that the address is pandaexpress.com. And I might want to bookmark that and save it. That's this little star here. If you bookmark websites, it will save it for you so you don't have to continually look for the website. You just go to that website that you saved, and it'll take you right to that location. All right. So let's go back to google.com, start at the beginning again. And let's say that there's websites that you know the address to that you want to go to. Now, if that's the case, you don't have to use the search. You can just simply go to the top bar at the top here, and let's say it's cnn.com. I know that address. I just type it in. The computer knows it too. It takes me directly to cnn.com. All right. So this is more or less how you can use your browser to surf the internet. We could get more sophisticated with it, but more or less this is what you want to do. No matter what it is you're looking for, you can go to Google and you can do a search for it, and Google's going to find it for you, or it's going to find something similar. Again, if you know the exact website address, you can just type it in the top into the search field there, and you're off to the races. All right. Hey, I hope you enjoyed my training. And if you would like more ways to learn how to use your technology to have fun with your friends and family, then I invite you to check out my course. Are you an older person having trouble with technology? What I'm going to do is leave a link in the description. Just click on the link. It'll take you over to the course. You can check it out. And if you like what you see, go ahead and join. I'll be happy to have you and to teach you how to use your technology to have fun with your kids, your grandkids, and so on. All right. Until next time. Bye.